So we're here in Enchanted River, Hinatuan, Surigao del Sur. And yung inaabangan na papakain ng mga isda. Maganda talaga gumala ng weekdays kasi yan, hindi siya masyadong matao.
May bagting. Lunch break. Resist na, resist.
Sobrang linaw ng tubig, saka hindi ko na yan inedit, as in kulay blue talaga siya. Sobrang ganda, sobrang linis.
Welcome everyone to Enchanted River. Magayon na pagkanig sa Enchanted River. The baby fish feeding is shown to the public as a cultural segment. The feed, which is only a small portion of the daily food requirement of the fish, is actually a fresh catch that is part of the natural diet. As part of connecting to our history, we are showing this tradition of fishermen of Hinatuan going back to the blue waters of the river. After a challenging but bountiful fishing at sea, they show their gratitude to Mother Nature by giving an offering to the spirits of the underground spring. The spirits are believed to be dwelling here where the fish abound. This is our way of showing everyone how we should give back to the environment and take care of Mother Nature.
Nabubuhay din sa tubig sa tubig dagat. Parang tubig ano yan eh.
Dito lang sa part na to yung pwedeng paliguan kasi dun sa may fish feeding is marami na daw namatay dun. Kaya bawal. Ang lalim kaya medyo nakakapagod. Dapat talaga kahit papaano marunong kang sumisid. Charot.
Sabi nga nung mga kapatid ng mama.
Pinaniniwalaan ng mga taga dito, yung mga isda daw is alaga ng engkantada. Tas yun nga, yung nagbabantay dito sa river na to, yung engkantada na to.
Ayan, mag-island hopping kami. May boat rates. 500. 500 per boat. 3 to 5 person. Tatluhan. Sulit yan ha, kuya ha.
Ay, oo nga, oo. Malakas nga. Dito mo mapapansin eh.
Saan pupunta ang current pag
Paing upo po, papunta pababa.
Sige po. Ayan.
Island hopping. Tatlong island kuya. Ano yung tatlong island na yon?
Sibadan,
Sibadan. Ano pa? Tas yung
Lodestone,
Ludstone.
Grak Island.
Saka Grak Island. Let's go.